Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network settings on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and right here we've got reset options, so let's enter. On the second position we've got the option we are looking for, so just tap on it. And now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, tap on Reset Settings. If you've got the pattern open, then enter it to confirm the whole step. And your device is asking you again because you cannot undo this action. So if you are ready, tap on Reset Settings. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.